Pre-approval, all this it's got to be done. No one takes you serious unless you've been pre-approved. It all started with Dave and ended up where I was trusting him, and if his word was good for Shawn, I was like, well, why not? You know, I've been hosed once, I talked to him once, and I made him wait.
Hey everybody, Scott Harris here, CEO with SocialSurvey. Honored today to be hanging out with Shawn Bowling, the #1 loan officer in the United States for customer satisfaction. 241 reviews with an average of 4.97 stars.
And I'm thinking, are you kidding me? Little Shawn Bowling from Carlisle, Ohio, Hicktown.
I think that might be the reason you won.
Maybe,
Is because you're just real.
Why don't you tell me about the partnership and what, I'd like to get some just content on it.
2010.
And he's just like me, I think. We're just down to earth. And
It's just real.
And yeah, it's
We're
real.
both very
So,
hands-on. Yeah, I think some of these realtors, loan officers have people that do some of their work. Shawn and I both are hands-on day-to-day in every deal. You know, we know what's going on with every minute, every detail of every contract.
You gotta take me through the story real quick.
So yeah, I actually, Naaman contacted me through Zillow and wanted to maybe check out some houses. And he was out of state, so his parents were local. So I ended up meeting his parents and showing them some houses and gaining their trust, and then met Naaman and we became best friends.
Oh, it was like online dating, because now I'm sending my parents out to do an interview. Like, hey, how was it? She's like, well, we didn't meet him. You know, we had someone else, I don't know, an assistant or someone else.
Yeah, no, actually,
Michelle.
my boss.
Right?
Yeah, because I was away on some training or something.
Yeah, so I was like, man, I can't believe they're gonna show houses to my parents, because I'm not there yet. I know I'm coming.
Yeah.
I've taken the job. I know I'm moving. I can't with my folks that long.
We're super proud of Shawn Bowling being part of our team. Shawn being the #1 loan officer in the country across all companies, all loan officer and customer satisfaction with SocialSurvey. So Shawn, congratulations, and I look forward to you being on the top in 2019.
Guys like you are going to do great business, no question about it. You guys, people, I mean, you do a good job, you communicate well, people like to be around you, you're humble, you're real, and that resonates. But